Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just going to be doing a quick little review on what I have set up for my EFI Live. So let's get to it. So to start off here, I just have the Edge CTS2 Evolution monitor. The story behind this one is that I actually ordered the CTS2 Evolution, Diesel Evolution anyway, to tune this truck, but I bought this truck already EGR deleted. And so what I didn't know is that Edge Products does not support EGR deletes with these trucks apparently. So what it ended up doing was it erased everything that was already on this ECM, and so right after it erased everything and tried to throw a tune on it, it just threw a check engine light. My light's actually not on right now, it's just my keys on, but it threw a check engine light. So then what I ended up doing, I had the choice to either send this back, get a couple $100 back, and then just order the CTS2 monitor. But I ended up just keeping it, and then I ordered EFI Live from Anarchy Diesel. So I just keep my auto cal in here. Oh, nice. It's always nice when you find a few bucks. So here I just have my auto cal for my EFI Live from Anarchy. And then I also got the, what is it? Like CPS5 dial switch. So what you can do is you can switch your tunes on the fly while you're driving, and it only takes a few seconds. So I think 1 is stock, and I think that's only plus 20 horse or something. 2 is the tow, so that's plus 50. 3 is plus 90, I believe. And then 4 is 130. And then 5, I think, is like 180 or 170 or something like that. But I usually just run it on 4 or 5. I only run it on 5 if I'm gonna just be easy on it and just drive it on the freeway, because I get the best fuel mileage that way. So I don't know if it'll tell me since I'm not driving. Oh yeah, it says 17.1 because I was kind of driving like a maniac on the way home. So with the CPS5 switch, the wires just run down to your OBD2 plug here. And so this is actually for the monitor right here. It's actually supposed, this is actually supposed to snap into here, but I don't have the piece for it. So what we got here is, that's the stock OBD2 plug that originally would snap right into this. And then this right here, it says SoCal Diesel on it. This is for the CPS5 switch. So that runs over to the CPS5 and then just plugs right into your OBD2. And then you can get the piece that'll snap into this hole, but I haven't gotten it yet. So then you just have the switch plugged into there, and then obviously with your auto cal, you just will plug that right in to your adapter here for the switch to be able to load your tunes on here. And I'll get to that in a few minutes to show you guys how to properly do that. But so you just get it in there, and then your monitor, you just run your cable down through. I just ran it down through my dash right there. I mean, it sticks up a little bit, but I couldn't really find a better way to do that. But yeah, so you just end up plugging your monitor right into that, and then it works perfectly fine like that. And then somewhere up here, your EGT probe plugs in to this harness, and then you run that into your block off plate depending on what engine you have. I mean, the 6.7 EGR delete block off plate has a little screw in the back that you take off, and then the probe will screw right in way in the back here. So that's way back there. Mine, I couldn't get to screw in all the way, so I still have yet to fix that. My brother-in-law is actually gonna take it to work and re-tap the threads, because I think the threads in that plate are all screwed up. Anyway, all around, I feel that Anarchy Diesel is a very good company to go with. I know there is a lot of different EFI Live companies out there, but the tunes that I got from them, even the first round of tunes when I had an automatic, they were still not very smoky, seemed to run great. My Edge monitor only will read up to 36 pounds of boost, so I was thinking about getting some pillar gauges and get a manual boost gauge and a couple other ones. But with this thing, the auto cal is pretty nice. I mean, all the auto cals are pretty much the same and have the same features. But I mean, you can do all sorts of fun stuff with it. Trouble codes. I mean, it's not really fun, but you can read your codes, use it as a scan tool, tuning tool. But I mean, you can read your codes and erase codes from your CTS2 monitor. So that's always nice to do. I don't know if you can do it while you're driving or not, but I know there is a way to set it up so you can also switch your tunes from the monitor. But the CPS5 switch is only $100 or so bucks more, and it's really nice to just be able to switch tunes on the fly just by the twist of a knob, instead of going through your monitor and pushing a bunch of buttons while you're driving, getting distracted and make yourself wreck. That's never fun when you wreck. But other than that, yeah, I'm very satisfied. So if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.